In this module, we'll demonstrate how to repair or replace a faulty brine valve. The symptoms include salty service water, excessive salt use, or overfilling brine tank. To remove the brine valve on a 5600 valve, we move to the rear. We first loosen up the screws that hold the back plate on. We can then pull it loose from the cable and the screw. The cable can then be removed by pulling straight up. We'll then move it out of the way. The first screw that we will remove is the screw that holds the piston to the drive assembly. There is a washer that is behind this screw, which is important to make sure that the piston can continue to move. We then remove the two screws that hold the power head down to the valve body. Once these two screws are removed, we can pull the valve power head forward and then upwards. We'll then clear the body and can move the power head out of the way. The next thing we need to do are remove the three top screws. This plate holds down the piston assembly as well as the brine valve. The three screws that hold this plate down are slightly shorter than the ones that go through the power head. When reassembling, make sure to use these shorter screws in these three locations. Once the plate is loose, we pull it up and we have access to the piston and the brine valve. The brine valve pulls straight up. There is an O-ring seal that is on here, as well as a cup seal in order to keep water from flowing through. We can check once this is out to make sure there is no debris in here. We can then also check the O-ring that is inside the body. This O-ring can also be damaged, and you would want to look at replacement when you change out the brine valve. This particular valve is for the 5600 and it has a shorter top stem. If you need to replace the valve, please make sure that you do not use different brine valves. This particular one from our 7000 would not operate properly. We also have this valve from our 9000 series, which has the groove on top, which would make it not operate properly from the brine cam. In order to repair the unit, we would want to use approved lubricant on all O-rings, and reinstall all parts in the reversal of removal. Thanks for watching.